buckle up, because today we are diving deep into Sri Lanka.
Deep dive time.
Exactly. We're talking elections, folks.
Oh, this is juicy. Always exciting.
You know it. And we've got some really interesting insights from TRENDLINE, that podcast, the one that's all about Sri Lanka.
Yeah, I've heard of it. They get into the weeds.
They do. And today's no different.
Mm-hmm.
So the big takeaway is that the Sri Lankan Election Commission, they are not messing around when it comes to this general election.
No kidding. I mean, the presidential election literally just wrapped up and they're already like, next.
Right. Like, hold my tea, they're ready to go. It's kind of impressive.
Well, they are saying they learned a lot from how the presidential election went. So maybe they just want to strike while the iron's hot, Apply those lessons.
It's true. Got to keep that momentum. But one thing that did make me do a double take was the budget for this whole thing.
Oh, yeah. How much are we talking?
Hold on to your hats, because it's a whopping 11 billion rupees.
Wow. That's a hefty chunk of change.
Right. Makes you wonder what they're planning. But in all seriousness, that's a serious investment in democracy right there.
Absolutely. You can't put a price on a fair and transparent election. Well, I mean, you can, apparently, and it's 11 billion rupees, but you know what I mean. That money goes towards making sure everything is on the up and up, and that's something we definitely shouldn't take lightly.
No, for sure. But, it's not just about the money. The Election Commission chair also made a comment that I thought was really interesting.
Yeah, what was that?
So get this. They said they're ready to hold the election any time. Not soon, not in a few months, anytime.
Whoa, okay, that is interesting. I wonder what's behind that.
Right. It makes you wonder if they're trying to project a sense of, stability? Or maybe they're anticipating, I don't know, some kind of event.
It's like they're playing 4D chess over there. Or maybe they just really, really like elections. Who knows?
Yeah.
But it's definitely a power move. You got to give them that.
Yeah, for sure. And you know what else adds to this whole chess game? They're using the same voter registration list from the presidential election.
Oh, wow. See, that's a juicy detail. I hadn't even considered that. So, if a party totally nailed their voter turnout strategy last time, they've got a head start this time around, too.
Exactly. Talk about a built-in advantage. It'll be really interesting to see how the different parties leverage this, especially the ones who might not have done so well in the presidential election.
Yeah, they're going to have to get creative and fast. This is going to be good.
I know, right? Sri Lankan politics are never boring.
Yes.
All right, so to recap, we've got a general election coming up, hot on the heels of the presidential one. They're sparing no expense, 11 billion rupees worth to make sure it's all above board. And the Election Commission is basically saying, bring it on. We're ready whenever you are.
Don't forget the recycled voter list. That's going to make things very interesting. It's like they're saying, same players, new game. Let's see what you've got.
Yes. And with that, we leave you to ponder this. What do you think is the real reason behind the Election Commission's anytime attitude? Drop your theories in the comments below.
Yeah, let's hear those conspiracy theories. This is going to be fun.
Until next time, everyone.